Want to get more leads for your business with CrankWheel? In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how this powerful tool can help you connect with prospects instantly and boost your lead generation like never before. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can get started with CrankWheel for free, along with some exclusive bonuses just for you. First things first, CrankWheel is all about instant engagement. With CrankWheel, you can share your screen or demo a product live without the need for the prospect to download anything. This means no barriers to entry. Potential customers can connect with you immediately. This alone helps you capture leads faster, and who doesn't want to reduce friction in the lead generation process? Next thing, ease of use. CrankWheel's simplicity is key here. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it, which means more time spent engaging with prospects and less time fiddling with complex tools. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile, CrankWheel's interface is super straightforward, making it easy to use on the go or during spontaneous calls with leads. The third thing, personalization. With CrankWheel, you can tailor the experience to your prospects, showing them exactly what they need to see in real time. Personalizing your pitch through live screen sharing allows you to address their concerns right away, which can drastically increase your conversion rate. Prospects are more likely to trust you when they can see and interact with what you're presenting in real time. Now, the fourth thing, integration with your existing tools. CrankWheel plays nice with the systems you're already using, CRM tools, lead capture forms, and even email systems. This means you can automate your workflow and track interactions, saving you time and making your lead generation efforts more efficient. You don't have to switch to an entirely new system just to benefit from CrankWheel's features. Lastly, there's the ability to follow up effortlessly. CrankWheel makes it simple to send a follow-up link to prospects after your call, keeping them engaged with additional resources, offers, or next steps. You can nurture those leads with minimal effort, ensuring that they stay in your sales funnel long enough to convert. Before we wrap up, here's the best part. You can try CrankWheel for free with an exclusive extended trial available through the first link below. You'll not only get to experience all the features I've mentioned, but you'll also get some special bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. Remember, using CrankWheel to get more leads is a game changer. It's fast, simple, and incredibly effective. Don't miss out on the opportunity to try it for free and make lead generation easier than ever. Check the link in the description below to claim your exclusive offer.